25 common English verbs, along with simple explanation. 1. Be to exist or describe identity or condition. Example, she is happy. 2. Have to own, possess, or experience. Example, I have a new phone. 3. Do, to perform an action or task. Example, I do my homework every day. 4. Say, to express something with words. Example, he says it's going to rain. 5. Go, to move from one place to another. Example, we go to school by bus. 6. Get, to receive, obtain, or become. Example, I got a gift on my birthday. 7. Make, to create or produce something. Example, she makes delicious cakes. 8. Know, to be aware of something. Example, I know the answer. 9. Think, to have an idea or belief. Example, I think it's a good plan. 10. Take, to grab or move something from one place to another. Example, please take a seat. 11. See, to notice with your eyes. Example, I see a bird on the tree. 12. Come, to move toward the speaker or destination. Example, can you come here please? 13. Want, to wish or desire something. Example, I want a cup of tea. 14. Look, to direct your eyes at something. Example, look at this beautiful painting. 15. Use, to apply something for a purpose. Example, I use a dictionary to learn new words. 16. Find, to discover or locate something. Example, I can't find my keys. 17. Give, to offer something to someone. Example, please give me the book. 18. Tell, to inform or narrate something. Example, can you tell me a story? 19. Work, to do a job or effort toward a task. Example, I work in a bank. 20. Call, to name someone or communicate by phone. Example, I will call you later. 21. Try, to attempt or make an effort. Example, let's try to solve the puzzle. 22. Ask, to request information or help. Example, may I ask you a question? 23. Need, to require something necessary. Example, I need water. 24. Feel, to experience an emotion or sensation. Example, I feel happy today. 25. Put, to place something in a particular position. Example, put the books on the shelf.